That's why I told you that our park is already rural. We set up an laptop assembly line, and they have produced a Lion laptop. The Lion laptop assembly line was commissioned on the 7th of October 2017 by the Sultan of Sokoto, Alhaji Saad Abubakar III. The main objective was to make laptops affordable to students and researchers to facilitate their research and other trainings. We know that in Death for Rwanda, they give every child a laptop. They produce their own laptop in their elementary school. There's no way we can catch up if our people are not computerized, if they are not digitally savvy. I was in Michigan State University last year, October. They told me that Rwanda has beaten them on certain indexes. The country has about 90% of its landmass already lined by fiber optic cables, whereas the US is saying 80%. That's a debt poor country. Nigeria is still at about 20%. The indices are clear. So why don't we start dealing with it here? Because once you start on something, I was by 2 weeks ago in the States again. Some Nigerians wanted to make contact with me. They said that India has brought a research, we must sit here on the second, whereby a curriculum or whatever or subject teaching could be in the cloud. Whereas with something in the laptop, you can access it, whether it's tablet or so. You know, a major problem we have now in academic institutions is demographic offshore. Wherever we go to international conferences, you know, many people want to come to university, am I right? And there are not enough facilities all over the world. And they say, how do we solve it? It's a question for somebody like myself. Because the professors will shout and that so many people have been admitted and so on. Meanwhile, the National Assembly will scream that you should not limit access to education. How do we solve it? The answer is technology. And you can see the University of Nigeria is poised to help solve it in this country. When you make tablets, laptops available to everybody, and with these gadgets, where you can access your teaching materials from the cloud, it provides an answer. The big question when I was trying to set up laptop, some people say that was low end. The Swedish people, are you with me? There's not much innovation in that. But if you are driven by a vision, nothing can stop you. You can now see that the areas of innovation are springing up. But someone will say, what makes this a laptop different? There are so many things we can do to make it different like this one, to solve local problems. In fact, Professor Dambata told me when I told him last year that I was about to do it, I should do the one that can be used by disabled. So we run the factor there. And I gave them recently, when I heard that the Chinese were now going about buying brands. You know, you get your iPhone like I have. How much goes to China? Remember, it's all packaged in China. Can anybody tell us? How much goes to Chinese economy? Only 10%. About 70% goes to US that innovated it. Even though it's produced in China, made in China. Are you with me? Singapore collects, South Korea collects. This is innovation. But see what's happened. Lenovo, if not up to 10 years ago, was due to decide that computers so were not high end. But look at the population of China. They were able to sell and amass so much money that they bought good IBM with their high end innovations. And when you buy them, you buy their technology. So how about the Lion laptop tomorrow decides to buy up HP? With the population of Nigeria, if I'm encouraged and to manufacture and sell to every Nigerian, I make enough money to buy what? HP with their technology. So when you are delivering the vision, don't let them stop you. So many things will have stopped this laptop assembly. When I first introduced that every university student should buy a laptop, they went and passed a resolution in National Assembly against me that I must stop it. They told the principal they must stop it. They went to the television and said they must stop it. And everybody said, but don't worry about that for local politics. Are you with me? Those who feel they should hit me from another end. So that, you know, when my policy failed, that means my children failed. I continue. That's why every obstacle you see in life should be a stepping stone to success. So the success story that today, Lion Laptop we produce here, we are now discussing how to market it in mass, because the quality is second to none. I'm just trying to show what innovation can do. Laptops are assembled at the assembly line at the least cost. This technological innovation will build and strengthen the capacity of engineering, computer science, and other ICT students. This innovation will revolutionize the technology sector to depend less on important laptops, as well as save scarce foreign exchange. You see, with innovation, we can see the Lion laptop. Even the components. You know, Innocent is building brakes for Air Force. Do we know that? We know that. That's innovation. Because some of the components are being produced by Innocent plastics. That's innovation. Reducing foreign exchange wastage. In February 2017, the university sponsored 10 faculty members of Lund University, Sweden. Reason for the trip: 2-week training on science park, innovation ecosystem, and entrepreneurship. Yes, we felt that there was no need meeting about the book share. That's what has been happening. I'm sorry to say that we remember some university who got money from debt fund for science park. And can anybody tell me what they ended up building? Amusement park. It's laughable, but that is true. I won't mention the university. Amusement park. What they built? That's why there's no science park in Nigeria. I won't go more. Amusement park, and it's laughable. That was University of Port Harcourt. I mentioned the beauty of amusement, and it's laughable. You know. The reason for the trip was 2 weeks training on science park, innovation ecosystem, and entrepreneurship. Trip offered us the opportunity of visiting the Beyond Science Park, the first among the Nordic countries. European College Source, Medicom Village, Media Evolution System, Max IV Laboratory. Also, it offered us the opportunity of meeting and learning from renowned innovation experts, entrepreneurs, inventors, and innovators. Now, look at the visit to Beyond Park. When we signed the MOU in Beyond Park, it was national news, but it was not celebrated in Nigeria. You can see me there with the white envelope. It was cool. You can see the CEO of the incubator there at SN Right. You can see all that, and you can see some of the white ladies. I think that was me, the current manager of the Beyond Science Park at the far right, the CEO. And so on. You can see again. Immediate right. Then Martin David Professor, Dr. Nadi, Professor Joy Zilo. You can see Jude and Paul. There's another lady, I can't see her face there. Science of success. That was just 10 of us. I told you nobody gave me money. Government did not give me money. But they kept on asking what to budget for this. The other place there's a budget. But I have no budget. Indonesia sent 200 PhD students to Sweden. But Sweden, the report are giving us that they did not achieve anything. That's why they keep on coming. They say they have never seen such success. In under 1 year, all these things have been achieved. The Beyond Science Park and the Swedish Embassy had several times referred UNN as a current champion in science park and innovation ecosystem. Established an intellectual property protection office at the University of Nigeria, which interfaces with DOTA. At times, when we were doing this, we did not know the import. You cannot have a science park and incubator system without a DOTA office. As is fully functional, the director, Dr. Daniel Onegu, is here. Fully functional. We found that the government helped set some things in the Silicon Valley, as well as the legal services. Less than 6 months on return from Sweden, Royal Nigeria Hub was launched in May 2017 with fanfare. Business launching of Lion Science Park in UNN 2017. Official launch of Lion Laptop Assembly Company 2017. Batches of laptops have been rolled out. Science of success. Nigeria Sweden Science Park and Venture Hall Development immediately in 2017. But the next thing going to happen is that we shall set in motion a competition known as the Venture Cup. We shall elaborate further. Successfully hosted the first international workshop on Science Park Initiative, National Development, 20th to February, to create awareness. The news in Sweden that was a huge success. 6 Swedish companies so far agreed to open up research and development offices at the Lion Science Park. 4 Nigerian companies have indicated interest to move to the Lion Science Park. We know that CWG, Oil Cell, Innocent, Veloxy Biscuits, and so much more. The actual design and layout and the tentative budget for building the on side of the science park have been carried out currently with us. I think we shall eventually see the architectural design better. Now, Huawei Authorized Information Network MD has moved in, that's HINA, has moved to the temporary site of Lion Science Park. And that is very laudable. This is a multinational. I have no doubt that when we move to the foreign side, you see multinationals coming to build things there. In order to develop their own. Part of the HINA project is that we have to produce certified technologies because the companies will gain. These people will now go in to operate their equipment and so on. And their products will do better in the market. They will be able to penetrate the market. You can see that it is a win-win situation for everybody. And they move in there. They are now training our researchers and students.